Let's end with Bitcoin
we'll vote
now.
on Twitter.
Plunging well below 7,000. Jim, you see a bigger crash coming. It's interesting because every time we talk about it on the show, and we've been talking about it the last few weeks, it keeps going lower and lower.
Right. It was actually since they've introduced the futures contracts, it's gone lower and lower. I think since then, that validated them perhaps where they shouldn't have been validated as the winner in this whole thing. I think if it trades 65.80 in the April contract, which is a little lower than where it is now, that'll constitute a bit of a technical breakdown. I think that's a spot to get short with a target of 56.80 on the downside, a stop placed below 7,100. I fully am prepared for at some point in time there to be a spike higher with people thinking that this is the perfect time to get in. But I think the thing that I keep going back to is every time we see a headline, it's about regulation. And no country's ever going to say, you know what, I think I like Bitcoin. It should replace our currency.
Exactly.
That's not the way governments work. They like to have centralized currency. So I don't love Bitcoin.
Jeff?
Well, Jackie, they say in life there's two things you can count on: death and taxes. Well, there's actually three things. Death, taxes, and Jim shorting Bitcoin. So for all the haters out there, hop on. But I actually agree with them
too.
from
And
a technical
Scott
perspective.
would short it
there's
too. I'll speak for him.
Yes.
Scott's
no
looking
doubt.
for Bitcoin to go negative somehow. But Jimmy's trade here, there is some softness in the space. I get the technical breakdown, so I'm going to agree with him from a short-term perspective. But I do think longer-term, all these governments, all this regulation actually emboldens and strengthens the cryptocurrencies.
This is the first time that I've heard 20,500 down to 6,600 be called a little bit of softness in the space. That's pretty much 2/3 of we've lost. And you call it softness. That's fine. That's fine.
It's not a recent softness. I think
Okay.
you're soft in the head right now.
Okay.
I was agreeing with your trade.
I know, but it's and you said crash too. It's gone down 2/3. It's lost 2/3
You just
of its
want to
value.
fight.
No, I don't want to
You're
fight.
upset that I called you the cat and I'm the dog.
Maybe. That's
Jim's
it.
the
We'll agree to
cat.
that.
He's got 9 lives. And Jeff,
No.
you're the dog.
Okay. Oh, okay. I like that.
Thank you. It would be weird if I was the cat and he was the dog. Let's just
Why?
agree
Why
on
would
that.
they- we'll talk
Maybe
about
we have
it
the
after.
viewers weigh in.
Got it.
Let's get the risk reward on the Bitcoin trade, people. Jim is selling Bitcoin at 65.80. He's targeting a move down to 56.80. Each contract is 6,580, so he's risking $520 to make $900. I had to cut you guys off, or I mean, it was just never was going to end.